Highland, this is 9,000, okay? It's not too bad. Not too bad. 160,000 miles. It's a small truck, but it's Dodge. It's the Dakota. It's okay. They fix here, you see, this was a fender bender here, but it's okay. It looks good. They're doing a good job hiding the stuff. Here also a little fender bender, you see. That's inside now, but it's not bad, man. It's not bad. It runs. It's just a little bit too low, but it's all right. That's the truck. It look good inside, man. It look pretty good. Oh yeah. There is no damage, nothing. Everything looks pretty good. It's clean. Everything good. Everything good. I like it inside. Inside is good, man. Okay, it worked. Ah, that is spacious. It's good. Good truck. Pretty good, Alan. Is everything good? Alan is the person that will buy with me, my brother.
Okay.
It's pretty good, Alan. It's pretty good. The chassis has some rust, but not much. I'm just taking a look in the bottom, okay? No worries. The tires are not bad. Oh, the muffler. Yeah, the muffler is there. Oh, it sounds good. It's burning some oil, for sure. Burning some oil.